Unlock the power of targeted advertising and data-driven insights by seamlessly integrating your Facebook pixel with your Wix website. First, we need to get your unique Facebook pixel ID. Head over to your Facebook Ads Manager and locate the Events Manager. From there, you'll want to click on the Connect Data Sources button and then select Web Shoes to create a new pixel and give it a descriptive name. Something like your brand pixel. You'll then be prompted to enter your website URL. Now, to connect it to Wix, we'll opt for the manual installation instead of copying and pasting code. We'll be looking for that crucial pixel ID. You'll see a screen with instructions, and somewhere prominent, your unique pixel ID will be displayed. It's a string of numbers. Next, let's jump over to your Wix website dashboard. Navigate to the Marketing and SEO section. Within this menu, you should find an option specifically for Facebook pixel or a similar marketing tool integration. Click on that option, and you'll be presented with a field to enter your Facebook pixel ID. This is where you'll carefully input the numerical ID we obtained from your Facebook Ads Manager. Double-check for any missed numbers before proceeding. Once you've entered your pixel ID, locate and click the Connect or Save button. Wix will then handle the rest of the integration, embedding the necessary tracking code onto your website automatically. To verify that everything is working correctly, you can visit your Wix website and use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension. This will confirm that your pixel is active and firing events as users interact with your site, ensuring your marketing efforts are accurately tracked and optimized for success.